Two USB ports are conveniently located for easy access. Height adjustable to position monitor at comfortable height. Triangle shape maximizes use of your workspace. Triangle shape maximizes use of your workspace. Made from 30% recycled plastic. Supports monitors up to 66 lb in weight. The heavy-duty DAC Stax monitor stand is designed to accommodate monitors, laptops, printers, fax machines, game consoles, etc. The USB charging hub has two ports built into one of the leg blocks. You can place the block in any configuration that suits you best and keep your devices within easy reach during charging. To avoid data risk and protect your computer, these two USB ports are for charging only, not for data transfer. When you are seated comfortably, your eyes should look slightly down when viewing the middle of the screen. Adjusting your monitor to the optimal height helps reducing neck muscle fatigue and eye strain. Our product provides 3 levels of height to create the optimal personal experience for you. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase and awesome price. My wife purchased this for her desk at work to help her posture since her desk is a little low. She loves it. She uses it to charge her phone using this neat phone stand she purchased, and she loves how convenient it is. Great purchase and awesome price. Didn't mind the damaged box. Was def worth the price?